Hey guys, quick video today going over how to turn on or off off-road assist. Basically, what this will do is it adjusts traction control to optimize performance for off-roading. Some autopilot safety features such as automatic emergency braking and lane departure avoidance features are not available when off-road assist is enabled. So to get here, what we're going to do is from our homepage, click on the little icon of the car in the bottom left-hand corner to open up our menu. And then this is going to be in our dynamics menu. So clicking on that, and we can see right here, we have the off-road assist. If we toggle that to the on position, off-road assist is enabled. And you can see it says TC with a line through it. That just means traction control is turned off. And we also have visual confirmation that we're in off-road mode because up here at the top, it says off-road. And again, this is going to turn off some of those safety features that you have when you're just driving on normal roads to make it a more pleasant experience when you're in an off-roading situation in your Tesla. And when you're done driving off-road, you just simply toggle this back to the off position and we can get visual confirmation that it is now off. And your Tesla from there will drive like it normally would with all of those safety features enabled. So I hope this quick tutorial was helpful, going over where you can toggle on or off off-road assist for making that off-road driving experience a little bit better in your Tesla vehicle. I appreciate you guys stopping by. Consider subscribing to the YouTube channel, and I'll see you back here next time.